Hey, Handyman Hensley here. Praise the Lord. I've got this window back together. Thought I'd just do a part 3 to show how this went. We had, pure success or what. So, dropping this window down in there. Okay. It's looking good. I did forget a little piece. I'll walk over here and grab because I think I left it over here. Maybe not. Well, it's not a real big deal. Oh, it's right here. Okay. This is that piece I was talking about. You have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This goes into the middle right here. It's just to make everything snug. So the window is in place. Now we've got to put these. Oh goodness, I can't even remember. I mentioned what they are called in the first video. Put these back in there. If I can remember how they go. I think it's like that. Oh yeah. Looks like they're gonna snap right in there. Okay. Alright. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. Oh, I want to see you. Yes, I do. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. See you high and lifted up, shone by the light of your glory. Father, pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, holy, holy. I want to see you. Probably be a little easier if I wasn't trying to do it with me bare hands, but we got her in there. Looks like, oh no, don't you do that. I gotta get it up under this other one there. Well, that, I think I got my 5-way right here. Just slide that up under there so we don't fire ourselves too bad. Shoot. Maybe not. I'll probably get it with this flathead. Okay. That should do it. That should give us what we need there. Oh, come on now. Okay, look, there you go. So easy, a caveman couldn't do it, but, you know, it's not too bad. That's our window. Now we can just slide this bad puppy back in the window track, and we're good to go. Handyman Hensley here. Praise the Lord.